The boys are hanging out with their grandmas today, and we are hitting the road. 5 months ago, Goran drove our Airstream, Ella the Excella, to Woodland Airstream in Grand Rapids, Michigan for some major winter repairs. And today, we are picking her up. Ready to go?
Ready, let's do it.
I'm excited to see what Ella looks like.
It's gonna be great.
Yeah. Let's go. Finally made it home. Ella is back where she belongs. It was a long day, about 12 hours, and now we need to go in, feed some children, and relieve our mothers from their babysitting duties. And all the lights just turned off. So what we're gonna do is in the next video, we will discuss and show you everything that we had repaired at Woodland Airstream in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and we will talk about the cost because I know all of you out there are anxious to hear how much we paid for all of these repairs. So we will see you next week.